We have never been closer to World War III than we are today.
Hold on. Okay, guys, we got to get off the roof. These are coming down right next to us here. They're coming down. One just about. We got to go inside.
Of these projectiles streaking across the sky, just literally over above us. I mean, I don't know how far away they are. And then we can see now intercepts that are taking place. No sirens yet.
חברים, דברו איתנו בשש. דברו אליהם.
אוי ואבוי, ראית את זה?
כן.
אוי אוי אוי.
אימא'לה.
Why, yo! Why?
ده لا طال المطار ده نعم تحرك 200 المطار. يا رب الله يا
יו! נפילה, לא מאמין. يابا يوصلنا الطلق. روح هجام يا الله
אימא'לה, מה זה? יואו, אימא'לה.
I speak a lot about the leaders of Iran. Yet at this pivotal moment, I want to address you, the people of Iran. I want to do so directly, without filters, without middlemen. Every day, you see a regime that subjugates you make fiery speeches about defending Lebanon, defending Gaza. Yet every day, that regime plunges our region deeper into darkness and deeper into war. Every day, their puppets are eliminated. Ask Muhammad Def. Ask Nasrallah. There is nowhere in the Middle East Israel cannot reach. There is nowhere we will not go to protect our people and protect our country. With every passing moment, the regime is bringing you, the noble Persian people, closer to the abyss. The vast majority of Iranians know their regime doesn't care a whit about them. If it did care, if it cared about you, it would stop wasting billions of dollars on futile wars across the Middle East. It would start improving your lives. Imagine if all the vast money the regime wasted on nuclear weapons and foreign wars were invested in your children's education, in improving your health care, in building your nation's infrastructure, water, sewage, all the other things that you need. Imagine that. But you know one simple thing. Iran's tyrants don't care about your future, but you do. When Iran is finally free, and that moment will come a lot sooner than people think, everything will be different.
NBC News has confirmed that missiles have been launched by Iran toward Tel Aviv, toward Israel.